Good morning, guys. Been a while. Okay, I'm putting out this video to show us a trade I caught on USDJPY, a trade breakdown. Yeah, been a while I did this. Been a while I shared any content on here. Okay, so I've been looking for a short opportunity on USDJPY ever since price did this, mitigated off something. So I was looking for short opportunity to bring price to the downside short term, which could as well turn into a long-term sell. So last 2 weeks I saw a sweep of this high here, sweep of the weekly high here, and then I was things were getting interesting. So I was now looking for my setup to print on a lower time frame. So at the beginning of this week, I had that bearish intent in mind. Also at the beginning of this week, we've had this stop funds break of structure. So at the beginning of the week, yeah. So also this was kind of a sweep of a low on the daily. If I did been were bullish, I did mean it was a bullish market, I would have considered buys. You get, but then due to this sweep of this daily low, I had to wait for a very strong confirmation before I get to sell, because this would as well continue to the upside, right? So okay, so at the beginning of this week, when I was looking for shorts, price rallied from here, went up, tapped into a daily rejection block, the point of interest there, daily rejection block, and then we jump down to 1 hour time frame for confirmation to see if we can get an entry. And then immediately when price tapped in, immediately price rallied down, and immediately we got a break of this low. Though not the best kind of break of structures, but it was a break. A break is a break. So price rallied below that low, a break of structure. So okay, I've seen the confirmation I'm looking for. I just want to get on board and sell this market. So I already have my classical setup, my stop hunt, which is this, and then my break of structure. So remaining the inducement. Now based on how I trade, I went to the 4 hour time frame, and then I really want to understand the reason for this buy, that is where price is coming from. So I went to the 4 hour, and then I saw that price is buying off this 4 hour imbalance. Okay, so I then understood that okay, since 4 hour price is buying from this 4 hour imbalance, it's going up. Based on how we trade, price is going up to mitigate a 4 hour point of interest and then sell. So looking for sales off any 4 hour point of interest is high probable. We had this one here, we had that one here, we had this one here, and we had this one here, the extreme resistance. So what are we waiting for? We just want to see price get into that place, and then we sell. Now I actually sold from here because stop on break of structure, this is an inducement to this level. I sold from here, price delivered, but then due to my edge again, I had to break even here, and one of the reasons I broke even also was because there's every tendency for price to also get to this extreme level. So I didn't want to ignore the footprint that market was showing for us to break even here. So I had to break even and then placed my limit at this extreme level here. I I placed my limit at this extreme level here. My SL went above this high, and then my overall target is this low, but then I target a minimum of 3 hours, so I close out a fraction of my position at around 3 hours here, but then I still have a runner, right? So price delivered perfectly. I didn't bother to check out for re-entries. Yeah, I just wanted to let the initial entry run, and then it's delivered beautifully to take profit. Yeah, so that is it on USDJPY. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. Yeah, thank you and peace.